In the final lectures, we will look at how to create different kinds of PDFs. We start by looking at creating a PDF for a client. When I send a PDF to a client for review, I want the PDF to have RGB images, and the bleeds to be hidden. I also want the PDF to be shown as spreads, so showing facing pages. I will compare how to do this in InDesign and Scribus. Between the programs, the PDF export has the same functions, but they are on a different place. In InDesign, to have the PDF showing spreads, click on Spreads. And in Scribus, click on the Viewer tab, and select Facing Page Right. And because the PDF is meant for viewing on a screen, I click on Color, and choose Screen and Web. In InDesign, to hide the bleeds, I click on Marks and Bleeds. I don't want to use the document bleed settings, so I deselect it. To hide the bleeds in the PDF, leave the values at 0. To do the same in Scribus, click on Pre-Press. I deselect Use Document Bleeds. And as in InDesign, I leave the values at 0. To send the PDF via email, I need the PDF to be lightweight. So in the next lecture, we will look at image compression.